Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the YouTube search bar not working and missing UI elements issue, especially on Android devices. So if your YouTube app is missing the search bar or the search icon isn't showing, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio app on your phone. Once it opens, you might notice a warning or notice message that says something like, "Search bar not working, missing UI element on YouTube app." Go ahead and tap on that notice. Here, you'll see YouTube explaining that they're aware of an issue where the search bar and some interface elements are missing, and that this problem is currently affecting a limited number of Android devices. Basically, this means that on some Android phones, the YouTube search bar completely disappears, and because of that, users are unable to type or search anything. In many cases, even the search icon is missing. Now, let's fix it. YouTube officially recommends restarting your device, as this simple step often clears up the error and restores the missing search bar. After restarting, let's clear out any corrupted files. Find and long press on the Facebook app icon, tap App Info button. From here, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, let's clear out any corrupted files. In the same App Info menu, tap on Storage. First, tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. Once that's done, reopen the YouTube app and check if the search bar is back. In most cases, this should fix the issue. YouTube has also confirmed that their technical team is actively working on this problem, and they'll release an update as soon as a permanent fix is available. So make sure your YouTube app is always updated from the Play Store. And that's it. That's how you can fix the YouTube search bar not working in missing UI elements problem on Android. If this quick tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might be facing the same issue.